talk of intonation, what is intonation? Intonation is the music of the language. In English, words represent their meaning, but meaning also vary by the adoption of pitch in the language. And that's why intonation is all about pitch variation patterns. When we talk about pitch, definitely there is something going to be high pitch and something is going to be low pitch. Let us have examples of these two extremes. High pitch, an example of high pitch is female voice, where vocal cord vibration ranges between 150 to 220 per second. This is as per the book English Phonetics for Indian Students by T. Balasubramanian. He also describes the example of low pitch and say that low pitch example is male voice, and the vocal cord vibration ranges between 80 to 120 per second. But while using that, while speaking that, male voice also opt pitch variation between high to low. Similarly, female also, they reduces their pitch variation ranging between high to low, and based on that our tone varies. Let us focus on one point, that like Punjabi, English is a tonal language. Chinese is also another language based on tone, where a lot of meaning, repositories of meaning lies in the way we are going to speak. According to pitch variation, let us look at certain situations and what pitch variation indicate. They indicate three major segments of human communication, like emotion, expressions and mood. Finally, whether a person is annoyed, pleased, happy, bored, interested, etc., can be easily identified by the kind of tone he is adopting. Then these are certain tonic symbols. When this very high to very low indicator is like that, it is high fall. When mid to mid high to mid low, it will indicate mid fall. When very low to mid high is low rise, and when tone ranges from mid high to very high, it is high rise. And based on that, intonation pattern varies. Falling rising tone and rising falling tone is another blend, where tone falls and rise, then rise and fall, rising falling tone. How about some examples? When we try to talk of complete expression, we use falling tone. When we talk of matter of fact, we want to sound natural, to the point. When we are using statement and question or order, like sit down, Where are you going? Where are you going? The fall will be there. Falling tone natural. Even in statements, sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. Let us sit and discuss. When we talk of rising tone, tone rises in certain situations. Like yes, no questions. Are you happy? Are you happy? Then would you like it? And then yes, no question and repetition question. Even WH question is repeated second time. Where do you live? Somebody couldn't listen it. And then question is being repeated. Where do you live? Where do you live? The tone will rise in the repetition situation. Let us talk of, interestingly, falling rising tone. Statement as question. You are coming to meet me. Falling tone. Statement as question. You are coming to meet me. You are coming to meet me. You are coming. It's a question. You are coming. You are coming. Then later on, it intended to be correct. When you want to rectify somebody, when you want to correct the speaker, or even if you are speaking something and then you say, I mean it. I don't mean it exactly. Falling rising. I don't mean it exactly. Then there comes another segment, that is fourth tone unit, you can say in speaking English, rising, falling tone. This comes to the situation like enthusiastic agreement. Would you like to go on a picnic? Why not? Sure. Rising, falling tone. What about a picnic? Oh yes, sure. Would you like to go on a picnic? Yes, for sure. For sure. Enthusiastic agreement. And exclamation. Oh my God, what a surprise. Oh my God, what a surprise. Then one more thing I would like to share here about rising tone. That rising tone talks of excited mood, happiness, or when we are elated, or when you are talking to a kid, when you are trying to be extra polite, when you are trying to be extra polite, like, would you like to give me your pen, please? Please do me. Please do me this favor. So there we are going for rising tone. And here in this way, these are the certain points one should take in his account, in his memory, because after word stress, there is the second step, sentence stress, and ultimately we come to intonation, and a lot of meaning is there in intonation. Thank you. Thanks a lot.